Hey guys, this is Dan from PSI, and today we're back with another video, and we're out of the office. We're actually at Dyno Motorsports and we're hitting the dyno. The car that we're going to be throwing in the dyno is actually a pretty cool car. It's actually an M235IR, which is right there. And that's a completely factory built race car from BMW Motorsport. It comes with an automatic transmission paired with the N55 engine. Now, one of the complaints that a lot of these owners have is that the horsepower isn't quite there. So with a pure stage 2 upgrade and a stage 2 Dorch high pressure fuel pump, we're trying to get some more power out of this thing. Now, when I say that we're going to be making horsepower, I don't mean anything crazy. We're not going to be making anything, you know, like the thousands of horsepower that Titan's making in there, especially with that Supra. We're going to be making around 350 to 400, especially with this colder weather. Now, this is going to be perfect for him on the track. He's going to be tracking the thing quite a bit, and this puts him at a nice conservative tune on pump gas that he can keep up with some of those GT cars and set some PRs going forward. So they're just setting up the dyno right now, getting everything strapped down, making sure that she's all tight. So we have the Racetech 119 bucket seat paired with the Schroth racing harnesses. We have a little camera system there that we just installed. That camera system allows you to see brake pressure, throttle control, everything you need while you're at the track for miles per hour, everything. This customer really wants to elevate his driving ability once he gets onto the track, and being able to actually go back and look at your footage will help you a lot in the long run. Now we have a push to start just like every other M235i, but you'll notice that this is a carbon fiber trans tunnel. This trans tunnel sort of leads up, has a full power shutoff into airplane switches up here. These airplane switches control the cooler box, which help keep the driver cool on a nice warm track day. And then this is one of my favorite parts about the entire interior. This is an M Motorsport steering wheel with little programmable buttons here on the side. I don't know if you can really see right there, but it has a shift light. It feels good. It's just super ergonomic. It's an awesome inclusion, for a factory car like this. And this car is all controlled by a Motec system. This Motec system hooks in actually with the camera system behind us that allows everything to be controlled, data logged. It allows you to do proper tuning. So, it is a really cool system to have. So the rest of the car is pretty gutted. You'll notice some cooling channels, and you'll also notice that this car has all the proper safety procedures in place. We have different shutoffs, we have different fire protection setups, everything you need to protect you as a driver going into the track day. So it looks like the dyno is just getting ready to get some pulls done. So let me get out of the car, I'll put Peyton in, and I'll show it from the outside, and we'll see what kind of power we make. So my guess is that we're gonna be right at around 360 horsepower. He was saying he's thinking right 375, so let's find out. So with that first one, it was actually spinning quite hard. Obviously the rain doesn't help us, and also that there's like no rubber on the tire doesn't help us. So what we're doing is we tighten down the straps a little bit, and we're also gonna maybe air out the tires a little bit to try to get some more traction. If anything, we might have to sit in the rear and just get some weight down, but we'll get there. So of course that we're finishing up on the dyno, and it's been raining the whole time. The sun decides to come out. But as you guys can see from the dyno graphs right here, we're able to hit 396 horsepower for peak horsepower. It's actually a little bit more than we wanted. We intended to have around 350, 375 maybe, but we're happy with 400. The customer's happy with 400. now we have, you know, a little bit of a track weapon. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this first-hand kind of video. It's a little different than what we're normally used to. Remember, if you guys need any aftermarket BMW Porsche parts, check out the link below to our website. We have everything on there, from exterior parts, carbon bits, to performance, anything you need. Comment down below if you have any critiques. If you guys like this kind of video, drop a like and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoy. See you in the next video.